This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
Only this month, there are two appeals arising out of two writ petitions.
Both Mr. Dotto is appearing.
He is appearing for both. In one of the appeals, at the instance of the governing body, Mr. Mujumdar is appearing. In the other one, I am appearing. I am indicating it to your lordship. Only two things need to be supplemented to whatever my senior Mr. Mujumdar has.
Yes, tell us.
First is, in the first writ petition carried to your lordship's court, assailing the show cause, there was apparently a challenge thrown to page 114 of the appeal papers. 114 is 9 June 2025. That was a challenge. In that writ petition, inter se the members who were nominated by the government, there was no whisper in the writ petition regarding the persons by name, by
jurisdictional error was pointed.
Only nothing else. Now, in the second writ petition, after the suspension and the second writ petition, in the pleadings, paragraphs 21 to 30 of the writ petition may kindly be looked into. There were series of allegations made
against this principle.
Not against the principle, against all the members who were nominated, including the state government nominees. And there was a particular pleading. Please give me the second. Just one paragraph I need to. Please come to. Please see page 54. It begins from page 54 onwards. It ends at page 60. There are averments, including averments against the vice principal of the college who was appointed. Starting from page 54.
That Mr. Mujumdar said, paragraphs 20 onward.
Yes. Only one paragraph needs to be specifically shown to your lordship. Paragraph 38, page 65.
Yes.
In connection with the jurisdictional issue, in connection with she specifically makes this averment as the said respondents 9 to 11, that is the appellants who are before your lordship, along with Mrs. Ghatani, the alleged vice principal, and Mr. Montu Das, who was not made a party, subsequently impeded, if get hold of the college finance, they will mutilate the entire funds, taking shield of respondent number 8 as they are habitual unscrupulous persons, as evident through the aforesaid documentary proofs. This sort of a statement was made in connection with a matter where, let us suppose, whatever has fallen from my lord governing body, whether it is existing or not. That is the query which was been posed by the court. That is also the query posed by the Honorable Single Judge. Now, in connection with such a petition, this sort of an averment was made. Apart from that, after the interim order made by the Honorable Single Judge day before yesterday, on the 16th, the order was passed by the Honorable Single Judge, 16th September 2025. I came to your lordship's court rushing, on the 17th. Now, 17th, my lord was not kind enough. My lord said that if the order is uploaded, immediately mention. No. Yes, 100%. There is no doubt. Thereafter, 17th, leave was not granted. 18th, leave was granted. On the 18th, she joins and she does this first. Please see these two documents, copy them, because in the teeth of this, averment made in paragraph 18, she wants to get hold. That's the law. That's the law. And the statute does not make her a signatory anywhere. is at best the ex officio joint secretary of the governing body. At best. She does not enjoy any special privilege.
All right, Mr. Bhatt.
And there are allegations of financial nature against her.
Well,
And my lord, SC/ST Atrocity Act also. My lord, we'll give in reply.
now, like, before going into the merit, I don't think I have to argue anything on merit. But well, the facts everywhere is quite apparent. Well, kindly turn to page 154. I will not read out
154.
court. Kindly, well, like, this is order of the court. Kindly have a glance through it. Kindly see the date.
Yes.
This is 19th of August 2025.
Yes.
No, I am not going to read out in open court. My lords will kindly take the trouble to go through it. Page 159.
Yes.
Yes. Now, what are going to fit into?
Volume 1, volume 1.
আর এখানে নেই ওই তো
এই যে,
তোমার কাগজপত্র গন্ডগোল করে দাও ওরাও কেন Now, this is 29th of August 2025, time 4:30 p.m. After 16th August, kindly come to Millet, page 159, the concluding paragraph. The governing body also notes that from the records available in the college, Dr. Bhattacharya, that's the principal, had filed a writ petition so-and-so on 9th of July 2025. In which Dr. Bhattacharya, apart from questioning a show cause notice, also prayed for a direction from the Honorable High Court to set aside the notification dated 9th of June 2025. I will come to that later. Whereby the president of the college governing body had been nominated by the state government. Be that as it may, it also appears from the records that the writ petition filed by Dr. Bhattacharya had on diverse dates, and from the information available from learned advocate representing the governing body, as well as the Honorable President of the governing body. Now, there are two separate distinct bodies now, the governing body and the President of the governing body. That the matter has been released by the Honorable Justice Basu. We have given to understand that the writ petition has since been assigned to the bench of Honorable Justice Patnaik. There is apparently no order preventing, restraining the governing body in proceeding with further measures in relation to the show cause notice. Though the writ petition is pending, there is no effective order from the Honorable High Court which may be constituted as an impediment in the path of any further course of action. Therefore, 16th August, that order was passed. That order was obtained, getting the matter released. On 29th August 2025, coming to know the matter will be taken up in the next day, this resolution is taken. Now kindly come to the notice dated 9th June, page 114. Where no pleading is called for, the document apparently speaks for itself.
Yes.
Well, this is from the Deputy Secretary, Department of Higher Education, to the principal. Placement of president and the state government nominees in the governing body. But the presupposition is that there is a governing body. But these are all dictated orders. I will immediately reflect it. The nomination cannot be have had to a body which is non-existent. That's why, my lord, they say proposed. Kindly sees first Srimati Kajori Banerjee, and note the address. 30B Horish Chatterjee Street. It's known to the world. This is the address of the Honorable Chief Minister. Then Dr. Manish Kobi, he is the principal of Ashutosh College. And Mr. Sharthak Banerjee, see the address, 87B Kalighat Road, just next door, never other. And he is a clerk of Ashutosh College. That's why the bureaucrats are well intelligent. They wrote it as proposed as. Because there was no governing body, they are proposing in anticipation. And that's why you were requested, the principal was requested to take necessary steps in this regard and furnish a report to this department at any early date. That we have already given you a nomination. After the body is constituted, they will be taken as nominee. And your report is called for.
Now, the not a person interested in education, that is the against the president.
Yes.
The president is Kajori Banerjee.
Kajori Banerjee. But a well-known person, that is pleaded, she is the elected councillor, and the address of the Honorable Chief Minister's house.
That cannot be a ground.
And now, Millard,
yeah.
No, I'm just pointing out to show. Now, Millard, kindly sees 11th of June next, the principal issues election notice. The constitution of the governing body process is initiated. There is the difficulty for these nominees.
Yes.
And then, Millard, all actions followed against this principle because she was showing her, Millard, steadfastness to go by the law. Now, Millard, all arguments have been advanced. Kindly takes up the provisions of law. Statute. Now, Millard, kindly come to the 2017 Act. Millard, this Act is under challenge. I had the occasion to move it, but it could not yet be taken up for hearing. This Act, this is my humble service, apparently, my lord, to destroy the autonomy of all the universities and colleges. Forget that. Kindly see what is the Act for? Page 292. Because a fantastic argument was made, or further, what does the independent something? What does the Act was enacted for?
Page
292. This is the Act.
Yes.
I'm reading the preamble of the Act, what we call short cost title. Whereas it is considered necessary and expedient to improve the functioning of the state-aided universities and government-aided colleges, and to bring about a certain uniformity and standardization in the rules, practices, and procedures of these educational institutions, and to ensure efficient and optimum utilization of the resources at their disposal, and to clearly define the rights and duties of various stakeholders, as well as address their service and welfare-related issues, and to bring a greater responsibility, transparency, and accountability among the managements and employees of the state publicly funded higher education institutions, while respecting their need for institutional autonomy and to effect a synergic functioning among the state government, state-aided universities, government-aided colleges to achieve an efficient and vibrant higher education system, and for such other matters connected therewith and incidental thereto. This is the purpose. Now kindly comes to me, Lord, the definition of governing body. Page 294, Roman 12. Governing body means the governing body of a college duly constituted as per the prescribed procedure. Roman 12, page 294.
Yeah.
Governing body means the governing body of a college